want to tame in my husband and it did.
Dial tune we get
yes.
after that.
And what we get after that, do it?
Dial blood.
See, family, me hear me tell him that. It's the tale that try to tame in my husband. That's it, the long and short. If family here tell him that, boop, dial.
Never hear back from him till blood.
Never a word.
It take him much months.
Never a word. So I went to the police.
Yeah, man, you just hear where Queenie say, yo, the man a try to tame in her husband to take her husband from her still. But me I say, yo, you see, from your born straight, you gotta always be straight. You see it and do it like him born lean away still. No fact. If you know, say them boy, they fish, you're not supposed to they run them youth. You see me? Like certain things. But do it there, finally admit certain things. You see it. I say when they run the boy and a jealous thing, Becky man, the boy friendship broke up on them something. But people, want to think about that. Do we should I really move out, left him wife and go spend time with a fish? So a fish have all rights to call up in name and Queenie there I just say all the underpants thing and everything we are going with man that you. I mean that you know where name and things still is it. So if you're new around here, just please remember to like and share and subscribe to the TV, is it? I will go here with DEWEY and Queenie herself. I do it that you act angry, is it? I know I do it from 2014. I know so DEWEY know them tough nigga they still, is it? But him they act tough.
Know that never make you a perfect example. See, unless me in a handcuff.
Don't fall to film trap, and that's him one.
I don't fall film trap.
Remember I'm there a long time I said, you can't go to Jamaica, you're afraid of Jamaica. Tell them that. You're afraid of yourself, you don't comfortable in your skin.
Which part time can go?
Wait, and I know I'm not talking that part that will cause this big animosity, you know. My family, I know we get over this. You know what causes this big animosity? Your own family. Why you think me not done your family? Why you think me not done you? Your own family said to me, I can't believe you say I'm wicked. After I move out your husband, you gotta report me the day. Remember, you gave my husband the address to work at. Never know the way that come back to me because me so stinking awful. All of what you tell do about me, we're doing never day here. All of what you talk up on the internet, you sit down and gather them up in your head and mix. Whether truth or false. How you as a little piece of tail boy could have known so much about me? Me all carry people back so I got Obia man. I must use my Obia then. Because me I got Obia one man.
Man boxers got both.
If me I got Obia somebody, me not gonna tell you that. Me I gonna secretly take the man boxers and carry go Obia man.
And him love the man.
Where then him did that do?
Boxers him carry go Obia man.
Him did that do a muggling something out of West End. And him gone with them money out of the muggling. I see the muggling something, me said, me don't know what them do, him broke out.
Hey boy, is a leech is
no man.
Free body, man.
Wait then now. Tell them no man. Have you out of West End and work your bum and tell us them I gonna give some I don't want to tell her like that, them I gonna sign you for something. And you call me. And like you said, Mama, 3 weeks time and you make me talk to the man. Stop it. Behave yourself.
Baby
be a best
we call you and tell you say youngster they pay your name. As she see man have all evidence in her phone.
But no.
You know. I come to England come see it if you never know.
Yeah, this time not for do it DEWEY.
Come here come see that. Me hear it and then I saw it because I never believe.
Do it too enough and enough for do it enough.
Why if you tell me boy you know? Why if you tell me boy but you see me is a person where me not just judge people and put them under the bus, but now under the truck, not even the bus.
I said, this boy don't have no behavior and him very disrespectful. So when you him apart, it can be a simple thing and him this year. Me tell him, me said, the reason why me and him last long, I become around him every day. If somebody can't be around every day. Because him always a drink. And when him drink, him irritated and him corrupt. So when you come up here and picture any meat where the drunk are tear, but what about your dead meat? You should tell them that you're a little princess what wear 2 ribbon, and then I would even have to answer you. But remember say I'm a little princess last. He's a queen.
Princess too good female.
He's a queen, and because when you hear them the from queenie. But still not done. Wait no man.
A Barbie dolly that.
I remember when I said.
A Barbie dolly that we make with them way to go.
Now with the address. You will give my husband your number for work in your address. So right the same located. Around the third year when do we start work back now? You drive, you see it in your scheme.
Not even scheme in the estate.
Estate,
Me have a client in the estate. You ever tell me, say, true you live in a client, true you live in a estate, me not for come round.
I dig all if I dig two, brother. Brother Mac.
I'll make talk about. Me say, any of my wife, they start that day, they think it a reach right, so it a sit on a jail fee already. But
because I know you're ignorant doing, that's why I not stop. But make me talk now, do it, wait. Yeah.
I walk a talk about when me round you, be bad up your mother, man. How you I told my wife been tell me for cool in a youth. You hear that? That me have to tell you. If you're bad right now, if I land on you there, start walking road. Make the people them tell me say I walk your road.
Yeah, now come talk full as followers you move it. So when you're in a dance, and you just dog a girl, and you say that now work.
You can't even dog a girl.
Not in a dance hall. So you're known to me by me. Me and me boss you.
You hear that? Boy, what? Every minute you take off 13 of their own, man. Who you want to see a chest?
She say you want but back to the reason now, because you want to know. And do you have a client in your estate and you come, when you come out of the estate, you are coming here and the girl.
Yeah, you're a big fat girl when I want you.
I will start laughing, okay? Everything will take the joke.
If you're glad to she have little color, because I know you wouldn't look on her neither.
Oh, you beat the girl for her money. Three girl not getting no money. Move your blood. Listen, man.
Wait, you forgot in with a plan. There's something in a real life. You see me, my feelings them genuine. If me not feel not come around, you know that. You hear that? And in a real life, my wife do me a whole heap of things me not hide and talk about. I mean put myself, forget it. You understand? I may accept it. You get me? But you see, as of now, no, who know that? And you see, I wanna do. I fabricate story in me there. Me kind of. You hear that? And in a real life, that not got nowhere in. That might be get a little idiot get like 2 numbers and I eat that. You hear that? That she an expert. You think I lick me, I go lick in for your face.
Not talk about she, because you not find the girl.
I forget find.
Oh, you go find her. Alright, we're not talk about that. Let me talk. So now we're in your estate and you come in and we come out. Remember me a drive. I probably see, I remember the big Indian girl, Jasmine, I drive. Big and fool. Remember me a gangster girl. I will start laughing. I go up our road and I laugh. And they drive down and me I laugh. It's when them reach to me. Remember the girl I drive it and I drive slow. I just drive down slow, make them catch me. So they catch me, I speed off and I run left them so I take the piece and I get ignorant. So as soon as him come again,
you want to tell the girl buy car for you can.
Not really but let me talk not do it. Please. Loud. What do it? Let me talk. I forgot what I was saying, man.
You know, she say you have nothing about your boy. Go suck out your boy, go suck out your
but when you're there in Ghana shoplift, you should have a little banger for yourself. But let me talk. Not do it. Let me talk. Because me there quiet up and afraid of you. Me I hide. And when you see me at the estate, I'm going to start drive now and I take the piss out of the girl because she cannot manage the car. So every time I drive slow, I make them catch me up. It's when them catch me up, we just speed off. And I did with laugh. You know what all master do? Pull the window and put sit down by yourself. And have him head out the door.
Sure.
And everything went at the car, some backlash, something. And so the man I fling it on the car, you know.
I think I got video there in my phone.
What video it?
I'm going to put it
I'm going to do a video because I may drive. And the back top of the key. Remember, we're not trouble, you know, you're just sitting at your estate. And your baby mother called me and said, gangster also said that, little princess said that, you're at this yard, you know, I said, I'm the queen, I got any pathway. Remember good, no, man? Remember good. And, me say, my queen, I go, come in and justify nothing to her. I'm a bad blood. I say, my queen, I go, anyway. You see, 5 minutes after that, the baby mother called me back again. When she called me back again now, me not expect her him. Gangster! And when me see being a foreign. I'm just said to you, the long and short of it, you're a batsy man and you wanted to take my husband to tame my husband and it did
Dial tune we get
yes.
after that.
And what we get after that, do it?
Dial.
You see, family, me hear me tell him that. Mr. Taser, I tried taming my husband. That's it, the long and short. You see, family, here tell him that. Boop, Diane.
Never hear back from him till blood.
Never a word.
Take him much months.
Never a word. So I went to the police station and I reported him. I tell the police exactly. I don't fabricate nothing, madam. I don't prove nothing to you. A long time I'm afraid I am the truth. Your behavior or how you behave towards life, even though